Hey, what's going on, y'all? It's Cliff with Flamingo Power Wash. I'm back with a brand new video for you guys. Today we're gonna be working in Gulfport, Florida, which is near St. Petersburg, Florida. We're here for a new contract that I just landed. Excuse me. Just want to talk to you guys, show you another avenue making some money. I'm gonna be cleaning the playground, so I linked up with a playground builder, and basically what I'm doing is rinsing the playground equipment off that they just got installed. So they got like dirt, you know, from the ground. They actually just laid down some mulch today. They had me come back to rinse everything off today for them. They got dirt on the pillars of the playground equipment because it was up there screwing stuff 2 days ago when I was here. Rinse off the swings, slides. I'm not gonna be using no chemicals on this. This is not needed. There's no algae, it's brand new. Basically it's all dirt. That's all I'm gonna be doing. Just another avenue for making some money. You know, I never thought about doing nothing like this, but when they reached out to me and you know, it was paying well enough for me to come out here to do them. So I had to jump on it. If you guys haven't yet, make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment. If you got questions, make sure you hit the bell for new content. I'm always trying to help y'all out and you know, motivate you and showing new ways to get money and succeed in your business. So let's go check the job out. All right, so the playground, the gate is locked, so I can't get in. They're gonna send somebody to unlock it. Like I said, it's brand new. This was just got built, and you know, it's not open to the public yet. So I'm gonna do my thing. Basically, I'm gonna clean up this structure right here, rinse everything off, and they have a small one on the other side over there under the covered awning right here. I'm gonna clean that over there when I get closer when I open the gate. Rinse off the swings, and I think that was it. Like I said, as you can see, it's fresh mulch down here, nice and clean, just got put down. So it's gonna be a pretty easy, straightforward job. They do have a water outlet right here by this little doggy park, so I'm letting the tanks fill up. I'm gonna be using the 12 GPM and the M5 twist nozzle to rinse off the playground set. Should be pretty easy. Right now I got about almost 400 gallons of water, which is plenty to get this job done. All right, y'all stay tuned. All right, this is the up close view. You can see just some basic dirt build up on here. The post got same thing, the dirt on the post. Nothing major. You know, we get all this mulch off that's sitting on here. I'm gonna have to climb up there. It's gonna be fun. For like a kid. The guy that was on here, he way bigger than me, so we good to go. But yeah, we're gonna get all this dirt off this thing here, get it nice and clean for him. I didn't look at this one, but this one's gonna be much easier. Should be able to hit everything from the ground. This one doesn't look like it's that bad at all compared to the other one. But yeah, man, you can make you some good bread cleaning playground equipment. I'm gonna start off on this one here first and get going. Y'all stay tuned. way at the top. Oh, what a fun job. Yes, sir. Some of the areas got like little smudges like this. I got a little rag with a little bit of LA's Awesome. Comes right off. I know somebody's gonna say, well, when it rains, it's gonna, you know, wash everything down. Some of this stuff won't come off. And also when you know, get something brand new, you want to reveal it. You don't want to reveal it dirty. It's like buying a dirty car from the dealership. Yeah, it's gonna get dirty soon, but you know, when you first get it, you definitely want to have it clean. So I want to make sure all the smudges from shoe prints and boots and stuff, it's off the frame. And also, this is my first time here, so you know, I want to go way above and beyond to make sure that everything is done properly, so they can trust me going forward. I think this is looking pretty good. Making sure I look all the way around. There's no more smudges. I'm gonna start working on the one over there. That one should be easy, like I said. This one got more angles to hit. slide here got some of that same smudge stuff right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get my rag with that awesome. That stuff should come out easy. Some of it right here too, right here on the side. Yeah, come right off. Alright, we are done with the project here. Quick and easy, about an hour. I normally don't tell y'all how much I charge for this stuff or my jobs, but I charged them $500 for this job for both sets. Hours worth of work. For me, that works fine. For you guys or somebody else, it may be different, but I can only control my business. I can't control everybody else's business. What you charge is what you charge. Let's check it out. All right, so slides cleaned up. Looking good. Check out the other one. No foot marks. When I got here yesterday, the guy was way up there at the top. Tighten up that thing over there. Other structure, everything is rinsed properly. No chemicals were used. Just water and a little bit of awesome. Yes, sir. Nice and quick. Although that's it. Wham bam, thank you ma'am. 1 hour counting drive time. It took me about 45 minutes to get out here, so now it's gonna take me a little longer in traffic. Pretty good project, in and out, so I'll be doing a lot more of those soon. I'm not sure how quick they build them, but he told me that they build them pretty fast and pretty often, so nice fillers for the schedule. I've been so busy lately, and I'm blessed and appreciate all my customers for giving me all their work and trusting me with their property. Year 6 of my business has been going well, man. I need to make a video about like how I started and you know, how I got to where I am right now. I think that'd be a good video for you guys. Y'all enjoyed this one, and I'll see y'all in the next video, guys. Peace.